Hydro Extrusions North America provides world-class extrusion, machining, and fabrication services from their plant in City of Industry, California. To power these heavy operations and meet a deep commitment to sustainability, Hydro partnered with Revel Energy to deploy a nearly 1 megawatt commercial solar portfolio. The precision-engineered solution combines a massive rooftop array with custom commercial solar carports. Crucially, these carports were specifically designed to maintain wide navigable clearances for the heavy truck traffic the facility relies on daily. Building in a complex industrial environment requires a trusted partner. Plant controller Ivan Oliva noted that Revel Energy's Southern California expertise and clear, direct communication kept Hydro informed through every phase of the build. Today, the system generates enough clean energy to offset 30% of the facility's massive power usage, boasting a rapid payback period of just under 4 years. Over its lifespan, this solar asset is projected to deliver more than $14.6 million in electricity value. Between rapidly rising California utility rates and fast approaching deadlines for federal tax incentives, the cost of waiting has never been higher. The window to maximize your returns is narrowing, as the Hydro team advises. If long-term energy savings are important to your organization, don't wait. Turn your industrial roof or parking lot into a high-yield asset today. Contact Revel Energy for a free energy and tax analysis.